Can I just insert a picture of my cats here so that you understand that they are the best? If you're looking at bests and bombs, like, my cats are number one. So we're just gonna insert some pictures here. Oh, you're a baby. You're a baby. Oh, you're rude too. Hey humans, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Today's video is going to be way more casual than like a tutorial or anything like that. I'm just simply gonna go through my favorites for this month, and since it's my first one, it is going to be more stuff that like I just love, but it's stuff that I'm loving right now, and I'll kind of explain because there's products that I love sometimes and then I also hate them at other times. So we'll kind of just jump into all of that. So if you guys would like to stay and see my bests and bombs for April, then go ahead and keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, leave me in the comments below anything you guys would like to see. I've gotten a couple different requests that I'm already working on, so anything you guys want to see, let me know. Any suggestions you have for me to make my channel better, also let me know. Awesome, well, let's just jump right in. My favorites right now, I'll jump into that first because I think that's better and I have way more favorites than I do not. The first few things I'll show is just going to be things that I already love all the time. It's not a new favorite by any means. The first one is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This has been my go-to setting spray since I started wearing setting spray pretty much. I've tried other ones. This is the only one I have ever noticed actually keeps my makeup on longer. It does obviously refresh and everything else like other ones, but this one is amazing. When I spray it on, I can feel it really locking in my makeup and making it all stay, and I just love it so much. So Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, definitely necessity at all times. The next thing that is not new and I've already used many times on my channel, it is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. I use this twice a day religiously. If I don't have it, I will die. It is just amazing. I use it after I get out of the shower at night when I exfoliate my face. I have very dry skin. I put this on a little bit thicker at night. I also put it on in the morning before I do my makeup, and it is so good. Like, I made my Ulta sell out of this because I sell it to everyone because it is so good. So definitely, if you have not tried this, go into Sephora, ask for a sample, or go into Ulta. I know sometimes we have like the little sample sizes, but definitely put this on your skin. I guess this one is another one that's not really new. It's the only other one that's not really new. It is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Cat's Pajamas palette. This palette, open it up for you. It looks like this. And this palette right here, I got it whenever it first released, and I literally use it every single day. This color right here, Bomb Diggity, I wear it every single day in my crease. It is to die for. This palette, if you don't already have it. I don't even know if it's still up on her website, but check it out because it's amazing. It's so good. One thing I have that is not makeup related, but it is still pretty new to me, it is the Soap & Skin Coconut Oil Dual Phase Body Wash from Pink. It looks like this, and I don't know if this is something they sell all the time. Obviously, I'm almost out of it, so if they don't have it anymore and it was like a limited edition thing, I'm going to freak out. But hopefully it's still there. It's amazing. My skin, like I said, is super dry, and whenever I'm in the shower after I like wash my body, everything like that, before I get out, I just take a little bit of that and I just rub it all over my skin, and it's kind of like one of those in shower lotions, and it's amazing and it smells so good. Oh my god, it's so good. So go to Pink and check out that because it's so good. If you have dry skin and you're not sensitive to scent, it's so good. My next favorite that I have been loving, and that is pretty new. We'll stick with skincare, I guess, since we didn't bath, and then we'll loop back around to makeup. But they're both things I got in my Ipsy bag subscription. By the way, I don't know if you guys like the idea of Ipsy bag videos, but I get them every month, so if you want me to wait on opening them until I'm in front of the camera, I can definitely do that for you guys if you'd like to see what I get in mine every single month. But two things I got, not in the same bag, I don't think, I don't know. But anyway, I've almost used both of them, and I will be repurchasing both. The first one is it's Tony Moly, the Choc Green Tea Watery Cream. I probably said that wrong, but I use this after I've washed my face. I've already moisturized with all my other moisturizers and night creams, and then I put this on top and just kind of like tap my face. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what I do with this guy, and it's really, really great, so love him. Also loved the Twila True Renewal Oil. So this is just a face oil. These two things were the only things I took with me on my North Carolina / Las Vegas trip that me and Spencer went on a little bit ago. So yeah, these were amazing. I'm definitely excited to have full-size versions of those. And the other favorites I have already been in videos, I think except for this lipstick maybe, but the other ones have been in my videos already. The first one is this lipstick from Lime Crime. It is called Fishnet, and it looks like this. It's so great, and I can put one layer of this on before I go to work. I can work an entire 8-hour shift and not have to reapply it. I can eat lunch, I can do everything, and it doesn't dry down. It definitely does transfer, but it's super moisturizing, it stays on, it doesn't bleed. So good. Definitely check this guy out. And I don't know I hope they weren't getting rid of this color, but I got this for $5 on the Lime Crime website whenever I ordered my Venus XL palette. So I don't know if that's still going on or not, but definitely just check their website. It's a really good color. The next thing is this brush. I think I also got this in an Ipsy bag. And let's just start by talking about how I hate double-ended brushes. Like, I just think they are the worst thing ever, because my main brushes that I use, I store in like this little arts and craft thing, and it has little straps that are like stretchy, and you stick your brush in it and it goes around, you know, the outside that holds more brushes on the inside. I don't know if that even makes any sense, but anyway, when I have a double-ended brush, I can't just shove it in there because it messes up the bristles on the other side. But this brush has made me change my mind, because although it's a pain in the ass to store, this brush works so good, and I don't know, it's so good. But it has one's like a packer side for your shadow, and then also a blending brush, which I don't usually like anything but my MAC blending brush, but this one is definitely the other one I've been reaching for. Obviously that's why it's dirty, but this brush is definitely great. I don't know where you can purchase Luxie, but I got it in an Ipsy bag and it's good. Other thing I have this one and then two more favorites for you guys, but this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I've already talked about it in like all of my other videos pretty much, but this mascara is the best. It is black. It's what I'm wearing right now. And my eyelashes are naturally like short and stubby and point down, and every other girl I know who works at Ulta wears this as well, but they don't curl their lashes with it. They say that you don't need to. I personally literally have to curl my lashes so that they're not down in my eye. But it's amazing, and it makes your lashes like twice as long. It has B4 in it. I believe that's what the vitamin is in it. But that helps grow your lashes, so you use it to lengthen them, but you can actually get real lengthening results. I don't know. It's good. I would just check this out. They have like the little mini version at Ulta. But this mascara, love this mascara. Last couple things, again, I've been in videos. I had a whole video with this one. But the Ofra Feelin', actually, scratch that. Just this shade right here. Can we just talk about how I got this like a month ago and I've hit pan? And it's not a little hit pan. Like, I've hit pan. But this is the O for Highlight and Pillow Talk. It is pink and perfect, and that's what's on my cheeks right now. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. So I'm gonna have to rebuy that in the big version, so broke. I'm gonna be broke. Gonna be broke. I'm running out of all my makeup. I think all of us do that. We all run out at the exact same time, but it's not fun. I don't enjoy it. So my last favorite is the, again, I've already used it, but it is the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I will be filming another look with this one, a tutorial with it, using some of the purple shades, but this is what that palette, everything just falls down. Now we go into our balms. Whenever I think of, like, you know, like I was thinking about a name, right? Best and Balms. And I think that a balm product, like, it's, you know, you get all this new stuff, and then there's just that one, or that one thing that's happening to you, or that one product that you used to love so much, and then it turns on you, and it's just like a bomb that destroys your whole day. That's what these products did to me. So let's jump in. It's going to be super short, so bless. The first thing, okay, let us just talk about, let's just get casual for a moment together. My whole, like, I have probably, you know, 6-7 primers I rotate through. And in the last, like, since I got back from our trip, so like in the last 2 weeks, this week and last week, every single primer I own has turned on me. And it is like every single day something else is wrong, and it is just never right, and it doesn't matter how great I can do my makeup on top of it, it's ruined, and like, it's so sad. Like, for instance, like the one I'm not talking about, but the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth, this one right here, this has worked for me for so long. Like, this was my drugstore go-to primer, and then it turned. And for like 4 different attempts of using it again, it just like makes my whole face look like it's peeling off. And then there's other ones that just like, I use it one day, the next morning I wake up with like 12 pimples, and I don't get acne, so like that's not easy to do. But the one that really took the cake, and I'm so happy I didn't pay for it, I got it from work, so I didn't have to pay for it, which was really, really nice. I don't know, I think I won a contest or something, but anyway, very happy I didn't pay for this because it's so bad, and it's a Becca product, and I love Becca. Like, I want to try so much more Becca stuff, and I know it's a great brand and everything else, but this being the first Becca product I have tried, I am like deeply shook. It's the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base. Looks like this, and then when you open it up, it just has a pump. But I've used this in a video before because I was trying it out and I thought I would like it. But one, it's like a peach shade. And like, I thought, at first I was worried about that. And then I wasn't worried about it because whenever I rubbed it on, I thought it went away. And I was always just doing it so fast, and I was like mixing it with other primers because that's what I like to do. And like, I just never noticed it because I just immediately put foundation on. But I brought it with us, and I think it was a day we were in North Carolina, but I put it on, and then I went to go do something, like, I don't know, I went to go do something, and I didn't immediately put my foundation on, right? I was like, oh, I'll just let the primer sit, whatever. I went back in the bathroom to finish my makeup, and I went like this to feel how the primer felt, like my velvet skin. Y'all, it peeled. It like started rolling off my face, and like patches of primer were like falling off in little balls. It was disgusting, and so that doesn't help my dry patches, right? Because then everything just looked like it. Then I tried it again, and it oxidized under my makeup, and I looked like a full-on orange all day, and I didn't know because I couldn't see myself. And then it started peeling under my makeup another day, and then I just gave up. So I do not recommend this primer to you. Do not use this. If you like this, tell me how you used it, because I I don't know. It's not good. A couple other things which I don't feel as heavily about as that primer. One is the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. I was trying to find something other than Shape Tape, not because I don't like it, but because I have to try other things, you know? And I thought this one would be close because, you know, it's full coverage. I like the It one that's like this and it's kind of thick. But this is bad. Like, it creases and it's weird and it doesn't blend and it makes me unhappy. And clearly, like, I've used a lot of it, right? Well, it's not ever all the way full, but probably like half of this I've used trying to make it work because I want it to work because I love Tarte, but I don't. And the last thing, I don't like my experience I had with this product, and it's from an Ipsy bag. And it's probably because I am not educated on the product and I have no idea what it does. But I was excited when I saw this. It's a Glossier CoconutBalm.com Universal Skin Salve. And I want to try more Glossier stuff. I feel like they're a cool brand. What do you do with this? Like, when I opened it up, I was like, oh, Universal Skin Salve, like, this is gonna be like, you know, your cross between like a hand, you know, a cream and like not like an ointment, but you know, like a jelly kind of thing, like Neosporin kind of texture. But this is, I put it on my hands thinking it would be good. It smells like oranges, but like not like cleaner oranges, you know, like chemically. It doesn't smell like that, but it smells kind of like between like Kool-Aid orange packet powdery flavoring before it's in the Kool-Aid, or like the same version but more of like an orange creamsicle type situation. But I don't recommend you put this on your hands. It was disgusting. It felt like it was not good. Maybe you put it on like your elbows or like really dry patches or your lips, but this would not be a good scent in my mouth. So I don't really know, but if you guys have used this and you got this in your Ipsy bag or whatever and you like it, how do you use this product? Please teach me, because I don't know. That is all I have for my best in balms this month. If you guys like this, please let me know below and I will make sure that I have one up at the end of every single month. I think it would be awesome, and it's also something that would push me to try a lot more products because I need something to talk about. Let me know if you guys like this and if you want to see more